Lord, folks, it's been hot. We've been trying to get out earlier in the morning, get things done before the heat really hits. We've got to get some of these raspberries picked. We picked a bunch the other day. We got to get a bunch more picked. I'll take you up through here and we'll show you the garden. Alrighty, folks. Here's our onion bed. We got to work a little bit more there. Carolyn's been doing a good job keeping it clean. But like I said, been trying to just, it has been hot. And I don't know. I told Carolyn there, I said, I don't know what in the world going on, if I'm just that out of shape anymore or what. I don't know. We'll see. You can see we got the hay. That was a struggle. The mower broke, and then the hay roller, it broke chain a couple times. I've actually got some parts ordered. They're supposed to be here today for the mowing machine, but no, we got that done. We can start up there on the hill with the where the goats go right now. Put that hay up. Dixie, you checking out the onion bed for us? Okay. And probably what I'll do, we'll probably leave them fenced off from the field that we mow up there for a little while, getting back to what we talked about with the parasites and everything. Give that a chance to grow up just a little bit more once we mow it. So I'll be coming up here and trimming some of those leaves or limbs to where they can get to the leaves on those trees. And here's everything we've got's going to be late. There's our cucumbers. And up there is the zucchini. And let me tell you about this landscape fabric. If there is a hole, like where you drive one of your staples through, there'll be stuff come up. Now that stuff's not hard to pull up. I've not really worried a whole lot about that there. It pulls up generally easy. And also, if you get any dirt on top of there, it'll grow in that dirt, but it's easy to pull off. We'll get that there. This has just sort of been one of those situations there, triage to get the worst first, and then we'll come back and get to that there. Next video you see, it won't have that on there. Here's the garlic. We're going to be pulling that this week. Except for that one, we're going to leave it alone for the time being. We left a scape up on it. We're going to let that flower out and get some seeds. We'll let you know, we'll show you in there. When we pull it out, there'll be the truth, how it looks and how it turned out. Those 3 elderberries we planted, they're still doing good. I took a piece of pipe and put around them there where they wouldn't get injured. Hopefully, Lord willing, we'll get a stand to them this year. Alrighty, down through here is our tomatoes. Over there is a pumpkin. Those was actually volunteer pumpkins. We've got more pumpkins planted down through there. I'm going to get some straw and go around those. Got a line of them down through there. And you'll notice here right off the bat, first thing probably, subscribers that's watched us for a while, we got rid of the caterpillar tunnel. We've got the hoops laying up there, and we got background farm animal sounds here. Once again, I'm seriously thinking about just going ahead and getting a greenhouse and putting it up. Ain't really decided yet where I'll put it. But that there definitely is on the table. About, as you can see, tomatoes starting to come on. Show you down through here are pepper plants. They're all getting peppers on them there. Daniel, he come out and strung the tomatoes for us here. He also drove the rebar and everything. Now, I guess he figured with mom and dad stumbling the way we do anymore, he's fixed us a safety thing on top there to keep us from falling on one of the rebar. Oh, yeah, we got to get down through here. Cucumbers up there, on down through. Here's our yellow squash. There's the corn patch. And as you can tell, we got a rain come through the other evening there. It dropped about an inch of rain there in about 15-20 minutes, I believe it was. It was fast. Had some hail, but I don't believe it really done any damage. And then up here is the other corn. I just went ahead, our little livestock trailer, I backed it down in here, and we can use that sort of as a little shed. Now, like I've always said, folks, we're honest about everything. These green beans, week before last or last week, Shug?
Last week.
It was last week. It rained, sun come out strong, hot. Started raining again. Then the sun come back out strong, hot. And that evening we come out here and looked, and it looked like you had poured scalding water, burnt or boiling water I should say, on them. So we went through and pulled those up. The other side don't look too bad. We've been putting sulfur on them for disease, but honestly I believe it just got burned up by the sun. So we went through and replanted the beans there. Some of them still don't look the best. I don't know. We'll be having to make our mind up on them ones. The ones that look really bad, we'll see if it grows out of it. If not, get some more planted, because we are starting to run low on green beans in the can house. As you can see while we was filming there, Carolyn come up here and got a lot of that up right there. And I'll take you over here and show you. She throws them into her chickens, and they work through it. I told you folks, this is going to be a short video. We'll try to keep you updated on everything, and hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Stay safe. Lord willing, be here Monday, and there might be another video on goats Monday there. One of our great subscribers has been asking some questions more about goats, and this time she wanted to know about different goat breeds, so we'll try to help her out. Y'all have a safe weekend there. See you Monday, Lord willing.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homeland's Homestead, where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's Homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.